Welcome to my newest baby, Royal Enfield 350 Classic. Hello! Today we are going to be cleaning the motorcycle. This is my newest baby, a Royal Enfield 350cc Classic. My other bike is a BMW 700 GS, which I have ridden to over 20 countries. I have taken a Royal Enfield for comfort riding in the city. So I'll be using both bikes depending on where I am going and how long I am doing it. Good morning, it's a fine Friday. The weather is misbehaving, it's not sure what it wants. Started as a sunny day, then cloudy, and now sunny again. So, welcome to my newest baby, Royal Enfield 350 Classic. She doesn't have a name yet, so if you have a name that you think we can call this beauty, you can share it in the comment section down below. A little about this baby. She is a 2017 model and the actual engine capacity is 346 cc's. It's a single cylinder twin spark. Oh, she's just shaking because I've just turned her on. Damn. Anyway, gearbox is 5-speed and top speed is 130 kilometers per hour. I haven't tried to get her to 130 kilometers per hour. Extras on this bike, it comes with a kickstart, so if you need to kickstart this bike, you can do. I honestly miss seeing my gears on the dashboard and my fuel gauge. I don't have that. Another extra on this bike is that it has a choke, so if you have cold starts in the morning, you can use a choke. And it has a side stand sensor, so it will not start if the side stand is down, which is good. Had I waited to get a 2018 model, I would be having ABS on this bike, but unfortunately 2017 models do not come with ABS. What I'm going to do today is clean it. I won't hose it. I won't put a lot of water with a hose in pressure. I will wipe it. I haven't ridden it for quite some time, so I will also lube my chain. Before cleaning the chain, it's advisable to run the engine for a while so that the chain can also warm up, and that helps by softening or lightening the greasy part of the lube that you've been putting on the chain, and it becomes easier to clean. So that's what I'm looking at right now to see if it's softened enough or lightened enough for me to be able to clean it. I've done the cleaning, I've finished with the cleaning. The chain is not dry yet, so I'm going to run the engine and run the chain for a bit to get the little water out. I'm using Motorex chain lube, and this is an adventure one. There are various types of chain lubes. So to start with, you have the wet one, you have wax, and and then you have adventure, you have on-road, and you have off-road and sports. So it depends on what kind of riding you do, and that's how you choose your chain lube. There's something else extra. There are two types of chains. There's the X one and the O-ring. So make sure you check the chain lube you're using, whether it is fit for your type of chain, which means you also check type of chain, whether it is X or O-ring. This one is good for long distance travelers, very good. So it has a capability of lasting longer when you're doing more mileage. So that's why I'm using the adventure one. It also has dust resistant, so even if I do a bit of off-road and gravel, I'll still be safe with my chain. The type of chain lube you get, make sure you read the details very well to make sure that you're getting quality. Every brand owner will definitely sell their brand as the best, but it is important for you to make sure that you check and confirm that details. And it also depends on your country. Yeah, there's some things that will be found in Europe, they won't be found in Africa. There are others that will be found in America, they won't be found in European countries. So again, the brands you get depends on where you live. So we start the engine. The easiest way to lube your chain is to have your bike on center stand. Make sure it's on neutral, start the engine and then engage gear 1 to have the rear wheel rotating, and that way it's easy to spray the chain as it's turning around, and make sure you spray all of it. I've finished with cleaning and the oiling of the chain. This exercise is very important for your motorcycle if you really want to keep your motorcycle safe and of course not incur too much cost on parts. Because for example, a chain that is dry, that has dust or particles, means that it's also it's easy to break, and it doesn't just mess up the chain alone, it messes up also other parts that run with the chain. So once you're not maintaining lubing your chain and cleaning it properly, it means that a damage to the chain means a damage to parts such as sprockets, and of course the cost of maintaining the bike goes up. So it's very important that you take care of your motorcycle. I know I have a name for not cleaning my motorcycle, but I'm improving. Yes, we will see more of cleaning. This baby deserves to be cleaned. So I hope this video helps you in your motorcycle maintenance journey and how you take care of your motorcycle. And let's see you in the next video. We still have a pending subject on upgrades. Yes. So see you in the next video.